Is your healing? Is your healing? Your healing? Is your healing? Is your healing? Your healing? Welcome to my channel and welcome back if you're returning. Today we're going to get into a little bit of waist bead education. I'm going to do a little bit of beading. I'm going to bead a little bit while I chat with you guys about when you should consider cleansing your waist beads. Okay, there are 10 times or so that you should really consider doing a little cleaning of your waist beads. This is going to be a two-part video. Well, the first part is going to be how to cleanse your waist beads, but I'm also going to take this particular strand and I'm going to take it and teach you guys how I do my moon ritual. So this moon, it's the new moon. Citrine is the crystal, so that's what we're using right now. And I'll apply my waist beads, cleanse them, meditate, set the intention, and so on. And you will get a glimpse of that process later. So first, I take a little Palo Santo to clean the energy in my environment, add a little positivity to the atmosphere. It's important that my energy is high, like I'm vibrating high when I create these strands. This particular strand is going on me. Depending on how I might put it on sale. I'm not sure, but it's for me. It's for me. It's for me to do this video. It's for me to apply a new strand for the new moon. Citrine is a crystal of creativity, joy, happiness, abundance, and we want all of that. In these YouTube streets, we need all of that, okay? So, we're going to get into it. I got my needle. I got my bowl. Normally, I would do a bead spinner, but for the sake of chatting with you guys, I'm just going to do a little hand beading. Number one, after purchasing or receiving a strand of waist bead as a gift, if someone gives it to you or you choose to purchase it, you want to always cleanse your waist beads before putting them on. Even if you're buying them in the store, they were hanging on a rack. People were touching them. Cleanse your waist beads. Even though I sage my beads before I ship them. Yes, we sage and ship boo over here. They're still going through the mail. They're still touching many, many hands before they get to you. You know what I'm saying? So, make sure you cleanse, you set your intention, and then you apply. Number two, after a challenging situation, truth be told, guys, let's not fake the funk like we can't beat a bad energy at times. Work was hell. Kids are driving you crazy. You're on your cycle. Like anything and everything that life can throw at you happens to us sometimes. Life be lifing. And at the end of the day, we're going to carry that in it. We're human. This is why we incorporate practices that allow us to keep our vibrations high, that allow us to cleanse the energy, because we are aware that life happens and we're human. And sometimes, just sometimes, that bad energy is us. So when you're going through anything challenging, you've had a bad day, it's been a rough week, the kids, you can feel when you're vibing low. You know what I'm saying? And when that happens, you want to cleanse your beads, because when you're in a better place and you're feeling a little better, guess what? You're carrying negativity around you. Those beads and those crystals have absorbed that energy that you had 2 days ago. And where you're vibrating on an 8, you could be vibrating on a 10 if you wasn't carrying that strain of negative energy. Number 3, before a special occasion or ceremony. So, again, you were stressed. You threw an event. The whole 2 weeks before, things just weren't going right. Now, here comes the day of the event. You ain't thought twice about it. You ain't thought twice about anything that you've experienced over the last month that may be hanging on to your waist beads, and you're carrying that energy into this beautiful ceremony of yours, beautiful event of yours. Cleanse your waist beads before any special ceremony or occasion. Number 4, after an intense workout. Duh, right? Duh. Okay, so while this isn't necessarily energy based, it is hygiene based. And I don't think I need to tell you guys this, but we're going to say it anyway. Please cleanse your waist beads after you didn't sweat all over them. You don't want any bacteria built up or any of that to be sticking to your skin or sticking to your waist beads and not being cleansed. I get it. We get in the showers. Most of us don't take our waist beads off. They're being cleansed there too. But still, be intentional about cleansing your waist beads after exercise. Number 5, during an intense transition or change in your life, you want to cleanse your waist beads during this time to ensure that you remain grounded and focused. It's just that. Number 6, you want to cleanse your waist beads after a period of healing and illness, because you want to make sure your waist beads are aligned with your renewed energy and your well-being. Cleanse your waist beads when you're feeling energetically drained. I guarantee you a good cleansing of your waist beads and charging will help boost that again, especially if you're working with a stone such as citrine. Very powerful, uplifting stone. If you're dragging and you have citrine on, baby, it just needs to be charged and cleansed. And if that doesn't work, it's time for a new pair. Number 8, after a spiritual ceremony or ritual. And the reason being is you want to ensure that your waist beads keep their sacred energy. So in doing so, you want to make sure that you cleanse off your waist beads after a spiritual ceremony or ritual. Number 9, before an intimate or sexual act. This ensures that your waist beads are cleansed and emitting positive and loving energy. Now, don't y'all be out here cleansing your waist beads to make sure you protect that ninja from any negative energy and bad vibes coming from you, and forget to protect yourself from any negative and bad vibes from them. So I personally would suggest also cleansing after. Shit, sage yourself, sis. Yeah. Now, mind you, this is coming from someone who has been celibate for 4 years. So if you loving your sex life, I'm loving it for you, sis. That's all I'm gonna say. As part of your self-care. So create a ritual. This is why I am going to drop the video to teach you guys how to do the new moon ritual. This also can be done for a full moon ritual. This also can be done on a basic self-care Sunday. You understand what I'm saying? Make it a habit. Make it a part of your routine so that there's no list needed. If you make it a part of your routine, we don't got to worry about 1 through 9, because every Sunday you're cleansing your waist beads. Every new moon, you're cleansing your waist beads. You get what I'm saying? If you got nothing from this video outside of number 10, create a routine around your self-care practice that includes cleansing your waist beads. That's all you need. That's all you need, sis. So anyway, thanks for watching. Until next time, hit that notification button, guys. Hit the notification button, hit the subscribe button, because you do not want to miss my new moon ritual video. I'm dropping it soon. Until next time, protect your energy, love yourself, and deal with life's bullshit with grace and gratitude. Love you. Is your head? Is your head?